Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this tutorial, we'll be making a beautiful necklace using some beads from the newest Softlex Company design kit, as well as some Softlex Company live sale claims and past Softlex Company live sale kits. And these beautiful laser etched butterfly, they're 17 millimeter, are from my collection, but they were from an online bead shop called the Bead Button. And I will also leave a link. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And I'll also leave a link down below in the description for all other necklace tutorial inspiration. Let's start creating. So this necklace is just some basic techniques, but when they're bundled together, comes out with a very cute necklace, perfect for summertime or just great to layer as well. So you're just going to start by needing one eye pen. We're going to need a butterfly bead or a bead of your choice. This beautiful little spacer that was part of the Jesse James bead mix, and one 3x5 millimeter gem cut bundle, and a 5 millimeter jump ring. So we're going to start by making our little tassel or a pendant for our design. And I'm using super fine cable chain, and this is about 3.5 inches. And I have 4 of those pre-cut. So when you open up a jump ring, you're just going to twist side to side. We're going to find the middle, more or less, of our chain. So I have all the chain added on to the jump ring. We're just going to attach the eye pin. And then we're going to close and just twist gently. Now you can attach your chain directly to the eye pin, but sometimes it's a tight fit. So I just like to add a jump ring so I can have more room for my tassel. And for the back of the necklace, this won't have a clasp. It's just going to be more chain. So that's why I wanted to make the tassel just kind of in the front as well. So it just kind of gives it a more balanced and complete look. Now on our eye pin, we're just going to go ahead and add one of our butterfly beads. And they are double-sided. So if there's any movement in your piece, you'll have a butterfly on each side. And they are one of the hottest trends right now. They're a laser etched bead or a tattoo bead, which means you kind of get a rainbow effect on it, similar to like labradorite or mermaid glass. So super pretty. I'm going to add our little spacer in from our bead mix and our little gem bead. And this would be great for an earring as well if you wanted to make matching earrings. We're just going to make a loop. Now I'm using my one-step looper. It's broken, but it still works. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and then just give it a gentle squeeze. And we will have a perfect loop. And this is the 1.5 millimeter. And I just like to make sure that everything is nice and secure. I take my round nose pliers and make sure that the 2 connection points of wires are connected and closed. We're going to take one more 6 millimeter jump ring, and this is just going to act as our bail. We're going to add it on to our butterfly. And then we're just going to give it a close. And when you close a jump ring, you should hear a little click, and you'll know it's secure. So we're just going to set that off to the side, and then we're just going to start bead stringing with our beautiful Softlex wire, and this is what came in the kit. Softlex wire is fantastic. It is the best that there is on the market and for the jewelry community, and it comes in so many different colors. So you can easily use the fluorite wire to match with the beads. You can even use one of the metallic colors. So many possibilities to really incorporate the color of wire into your design. Only doing bead stringing on about half of the necklace, I'm only going to need maybe 10 or 12 inches. Keep this on the spool, just going to act as a bead stopper. And so I'm going to start with my pendant first, but I want to lay out my design. So we're going to have 3 butterflies on each side. And then on each butterfly, I'm going to add one of my little gem cut beads. Then one of these beautiful simple cuts. And this is the olive green color, and there's a lot more colors available on Softlex Company, so I'll leave a link down below for that. Add in these beautiful little bead caps that are part of the Jesse James bead mix. They just kind of look like leaves. Just add those in. And then on each side of those, I'm going to add one of these little 4 millimeter beads. They have like a little rainbow finish on it. So I think it's really just going to highlight that color from the butterfly. And then we're going to have our pendant. I think I'm just going to add another one of these little gray beads on each side. Just doing basic bead stringing and add our beautiful pendant that we made. Another one of our little 4 millimeter beads. We just want to make sure that we're putting the butterflies the same way. So it's like they're kind of fluttering. So we're just going to add on all the beads on this side. So we have the beads added on to one side of our beautiful necklace. We're just going to use one 2x2 and slide that onto our soft flex. Now we do have a lot of extra soft flex, but don't worry, we will fix that in just a moment. And you can attach your chain to a jump ring if you want to, but for this project, I'm going to connect it directly to the chain without using a jump ring. So I have 2 lengths of chain. Just because this chain is so dainty, I wanted to kind of double it up, kind of give it a more clustered look to kind of match the design and the tassel. So we're just going to add on the chain like it was a bead. We're going to do that for both sides. And then we're just going to take our soft flex and pass back through our 2x2. We want just a little bit of wiggle room with that chain. So it's going to create like a little circle or a connection point. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish. This is going to flatten it and keep it secure. We're going to rotate our pliers and squeeze again. This is going to round our 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. Now we have that extra soft flex wire, so I'm just going to bring in my cutters and trim our extra soft flex. Usually I like to take the extra and just kind of bend it back so it stays away from the main wire and give it a trim. Now we're just going to slide all the beads down so that top 4 millimeter rainbow bead is going to be resting against the 2x2. We're going to cut a good workable length from the spool and add on the rest of the beads. And you can make an asymmetrical necklace if you would like to. So we ended on one of these little rainbow beads. Then I'm just going to add on the same pattern and make sure that the butterflies are still going the same way. So we'll just continue to add on beads. These gem cut beads are beautiful. There's so many different designs you can do with them. I think they're called a simple cut bead, but they should be called a fancy cut because they really just add so much to your design and elegance. I want to make sure that everything is nice and secure. We're going to bring in the rest of our chain, our last 2x2. So do the same thing. We just want to make sure that everything is nice and tight. There's not a lot of spacing. Then we're just going to add on the last 2 little pieces of chain and pass back through our 2x2. We want our little connection points of soft flex to be fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You just like them similar. I know it can be a little tricky when the chain is in the way. And then just double check, make sure everything is nice and secure. Take our pliers and just give it a squeeze and rotate. And then we're just going to trim that extra little soft flex. And We have our beautiful necklace using the newest Softlex Company design kit and some beads from my collection and past Softlex Company design kits. This is a wonderful look for summer when you don't want the beads to be too much and you just kind of want a lightweight design. And you can always layer this design as well with maybe just a simple chain or a bar necklace with some gemstones. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist and information on the fantastic Softlex Company live sales. Have an awesome day.